What's up guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. I just announced that I'm moving into an apartment. Woohoo! Moving 6 hours from home. I'm super excited. And there's a lot to buy. There's so many different things that come with getting an apartment. So I've been making lists. I've already been ordering stuff. So I'm gonna be doing apartment hauls, apartment move-in vlogs, apartment tours, all the fun stuff that you guys love to see. And yeah, so this is gonna be like my first apartment shopping vlog. I'm going to Target. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna get, but I'm sure there's gonna be some things I'm gonna get. And then I'm gonna give you guys a little haul at the end, and then obviously I'm gonna do like an accumulation haul at some point. But yeah, I'm super excited. I will try to link everything I can down below for you guys. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell for future videos. I love having new faces here. Here's the little fit check if you guys are curious. Okay, so I have this little top on from Amazon. Really love it. So much better than the line tanks because I like the way it scoops better. These cute little shorts are from the Crypt. I love them so much. And then I have my Balenciaga sneakers on, and then this is my purse, just this little Prada nylon purse. I don't know what kind of sparkles got all over it. No idea how this happened, but anyways, let's go. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, new journey, new chapter. Let's get it. I actually think I showed this to you guys previously, but this is kind of how like I'm designing my apartment. I'm a very like streetwear vibey person. So I have this like big Takashi pillow that I got from StockX, and this is kind of the vibe we're going for. So a little sneak peek of the designing, and then also one of the items I have for my apartment. Yay! All right, now let's get out of here. Here's the tiniest bit of stuff we have. A lot of our stuff, like 90% of it is from West Elm. So we have like chairs and like dining table and stuff. Here's the living room TV that I bought, Crate and Barrel stuff, and then all of my Smeg stuff down here. I got like the pink color, some candles, some random things, and then there's the TV from my room down there. Crockpot, Ninja. I have a good amount of stuff, but like there's still like filler items that like you don't know you need until you go into Target. So everything's chilling in the garage, of course. I'm so excited, you guys. It's gonna be so fun. And then of course I have like a can opener and like, I don't know what this is. I think this is like like a decor piece I ordered. I'm returning this Breville thing because I got a Smeg one. Have another Smeg toaster in here. I accidentally ordered 2. Bed frame, mirror, fun stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, woohoo. There's a lot back here. Yeah, here's my can opener. But anyways, I'll be doing like a more in-depth haul, of course, but this is just like the overview of all the stuff. All right, let's get out of here. You guys, look at this new cup that I got. It's like the new Starbucks summer cup. I put some sweet mint tea in it from HTO. It looks so good. It's just so pretty and mesmerizing. I love it. Now to the Destin Target we go. It's literally like a 30-minute drive. So that's fun, but I'll see you guys in a few. It's definitely something. I like this a lot. Yeah, that is fun. Oh, that's nice. This is something I would get like once I'm there. This is my brother, by the way. This is cool because I have like a desk from IKEA that I'm gonna be using. Thoughts? Same, this is cool.
Thoughts on this for us?
A power shredder. We don't need a shredder.
Yeah, I don't think we
Oh yeah, he's taking the extra room, by the way, guys, but it's a really huge apartment.
It's taking the office.
Yeah, we don't need a shredder, Sam.
I told Bella because like the office is mine. She can use her vanity in her room for her office.
Yeah, but the apartment's humongous, so there's plenty of room for both of us. This is my brother. Well, I wanted to get a Dyson. This is the Dyson. I want a Dyson. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna order it probably online though. I think I want this one. I think this is the newest one. I'm gonna end up getting it at some point. Oh yeah, the crock pot. We already have this. I showed it to you guys.
This is the one I got.
This is the one, everybody. I already showed it to them earlier. We're looking for like an espresso maker. This isn't the air fryer that I got, but it's similar to this. The one I got is from Amazon though. So we're looking at an espresso maker.
Like an iced coffee thing. It literally only makes iced coffee, which is pretty cool, but
yeah.
I like espresso.
It's not like practical though. Like we don't need it. We need an espresso machine. Oh, there's some up there, Sam. There's some. There we go.
We don't have any in stock, but like.
Oh, they're all gone. We already have an espresso.
See, I'm thinking something like this right here.
Yeah.
Super simple, and then all we need is a grinder.
Yeah.
To buy.
And this one's nice too.
$100, DeLonghi. Like. I know how to make these anyways. How many shots can you
Yeah, because you are an ex-barista from Starbucks. You do know.
Try partner number 2442071.
Oop,
30%
not the
off.
partner numbers. This one's nice.
No, I like this one better. Stainless steel. I don't like
that one's prettier for sure. This is the milk frother I have. And then we already.
So you're saying you like these better than these?
Yeah, because this one you put it in, you don't have to like hold it. Like, see, this one's like electric. Like you do it. That one you have to hold. But we already have this too. Mom and Dad got us that. So we're gonna have to order one of these online.
Nate's parents have one of those.
I always thought they don't work.
No, they do. It like works really good actually.
Interesting. Well, let's go to the next aisle. I actually ordered like green pans. I ordered a 14-piece set. These are like the best pans. Sad face. So I already ordered green pans. So we don't need to really look at those. We need to ask Dad because we're either gonna take Dad's or buy our own. I say we just buy our own too.
Like a Cuisinart.
$99. These are not nice.
Really?
Tim will feel those.
Those are nasty.
Yeah, exactly. Like yeah, these are the ones to get. This is a good brand.
Really good. I already broke it.
You broke your straw. So yeah, we're gonna come back and look at these. That's too big. This is a lot, but we need one that has scissors in it for sure, and a lot of them do. The what's? We don't need it. We'll get it when we get there if we want it. But there's so much stuff here. So much stuff. We already have tongs.
What about like this though? Oil and vinegar?
Mom has an oil thing for us. We do need a pepper and salt thing.
Do they have electronic ones here?
I don't know. Oh wait, that's, oh my god, Sam, this is spray olive oil. That's cool. That's really cool. Love these marble plates, like for, oh, they're plastic though. But that's not bad. Like for cakes, like serving dishes, those are cool. I think we have a lot of this stuff, but that's an egg slicer. We're gonna go to IKEA and Costco when we move in.
So that's your smeg.
My smeg. No, I got a pink smeg.
Alright, cool.
Oh, we need gloves. These, like those. But yeah, might as well. I don't really like.
I add those to Amazon.
I don't like the way they feel.
Let me write things down that we need that we can order on
Yeah,
Amazon.
yeah.
Like we don't need a nice pair of those, you know?
Right, just a little cheap pair works. But we will need like a mat thing, like once we like do our dishes to like set out and dry. We're gonna get this paper towel holder. I like this one. We'll always get the one in the back, of course.
The reason you guys get the ones in the back, it's really bougie, but everyone touches the front one.
Mm-hmm.
This one has never been touched except for when the person put
Love
it out.
that. Good analysis. What is it called? I don't know. But that's exactly observation. Oh, there's salt and pepper right there.
Yeah, I don't care. We don't need an electronic one.
No.
Wait, are these?
What is that? Ceramic. And we don't need a juicer. You know why? Because I bought one from Smeg. Ooh, collapsible. This is nice for draining things. That's cool. I like this one. Okay, so we're gonna get the Softworks salt thing, and then also the matching. This Target's like empty. It's literally just us here. You got the pepper? Okay. And then other things, I'm like looking over here to see what else we would need. I know we need like things like this, like a colander, or like a microplane.
No, grater.
Isn't that the same thing?
It's like for cheese. We don't eat cheese. Like
well, it'd be for like lemon zesting and stuff like that. Do we need a salad spinner, or do you think we're good? I think we're good because we like clean lettuce and then like dry it off with a paper towel. Okay. Okay. So do you like this one, Sammy?
We get this if we're gonna have salad a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So would you like this or this one? Does this hook to the side though of like?
What is
yeah, I don't really like the color.
It's like draining stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think if you're gonna get a drainer, get this.
I know, but that won't, like when you're doing pasta, that won't stay to the side of the...
So then we'll put this on the Amazon.
Yeah, we'll find a bigger one. Like a drainer, pasta drainer or something like that. And then we end up needing like stuff like this, but once we move in, we'll like get that kind of stuff. Okay, what's next? Okay, we're looking at these because Sammy is 21 and he's gotta get one. You found one you like?
Mom, it's only for cooking wine.
The little wink. Okay, so I think that's it from here. We'll need like a drying rack thing, but we'll find it somewhere else. I needed this when I was making my whatchamacallits. What's it called?
It's cheaper here. Oh, like $2.
You're gonna get it? Yeah.
Can I get it?
Yeah, just get it. He was like, oh, I'm gonna get it on Amazon because it's cheaper. But I was making cinnamon rolls and I needed one of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one.
What is it?
From here. But can you give me that one? Because these like a pastry brush.
But
the bristles of this.
Like, when are we gonna use?
See, I use this all the time. Like on chicken, you can use them on anything, not just pastries. So use them to brush over things. Duh. Okay, what's next? These are the tumblers we ordered, the Telford tumblers. We have these at home and I love them. They're like so classy and simple. So we ordered those and I'll show you guys at home later once we have them. I want like little glasses for coffee. Coffee.
They're like traditional like wine glasses.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. We'll get you a set. You'll need them.
Not now. I Okay,
You can just get singles, but don't get them now, yeah, because we still have to move. But, oh, this is the one that we got, the 12-piece Telford tumbler set. Well, no, we're gonna put our utensils
We're not gonna have too much.
Samuel, we're gonna put the utensils like beside the oven, like mom and dad have at home.
Like our air fryer and crock pot.
We're gonna put them in the drawers and like cabinets until we need them. But we need like a little cup thing. We need a cup thing to hold. Samuel, that's a set. We don't need the set. We just need the cup. So we have to find something like over here that'll hold. That'll be like nice enough to hold like the utensils and stuff. I like this one a lot better. Yeah.
I like this stainless steel one.
Samuel, I think mom had that one and she didn't like it. The little thing that's on the side, like the lever. I like this one because it's black. It's more simple. So we'll get this one. That one's better. That one's so much better. We're also gonna get the matching utensil holder because it's black and it makes sense and it looks good together. I love these baskets, so I ended up picking up like one of these, but it's a lot nicer from like Target's like website for like the corner of our living room for blankets. I also really like this one. This one's really cute. But I think y'all really like mine. I'll like insert a photo right here on this side of the screen for you guys to see what it looks like. Y'all, look at this rolling pin. I bake a lot and this is like something I definitely need. And if we make like homemade like cauliflower crust or pizzas, we'll need it too. And it matches these, so gonna add that to our stash as well. This is like the whole like magnolia line too. I love the black silverware so much. They're so pretty. I'm gonna get one of those plants though to put in the corner, same like that. But I like the one that's already in, but I want a real plant. I like these invisible shelves. Those are nice. There's so much cute stuff here for an apartment. See, I want to be able to like water plants with this. Like, so cute. I know, but I really like the black vase. Don't you like the black vase? These are real. Those are real.
Those are?
Yeah, those are real. But I like this black vase. Look how cute. But I like the big one, like this one.
I like this brown.
I don't like the brown. I think it looks dead. I want like green.
Marijuana plants.
Oh my gosh. Look at the black one. That's the one I like.
That's cool. You can get it when we get there.
Yes, that'll get messed up in the U-Haul for sure. Plot twist, like imagine having this planter.
Imagine having this.
Yeah, it's cute, but it looks fake, Samuel.
In that.
Let's try it. Try it. I want to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Put it in. It's gonna be, first of all, it's gonna be way too short.
Pretty gas.
But this looks, they look so fake. Take it out, Samuel. Be a good Samaritan. Take it out for me because I got long nails. Don't break it. But I really like this planter actually, with like a real plant in the corner. But we'll get that later. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty with the curtain lights. I don't want that. I don't really like that. But we already have lamps from West Elm that we ordered. But it's fun to look. These are a little too boxy for my liking, but they're cute. Really nicely made.
That lamp that came in is going on mine.
There's two lamps that came in. One's going on your nightstand and one's mine. I actually really like this too. That's really fun and different for sure. So our chairs for our dining room table kind of look like this, but they're a little bit nicer and they're like leather, faux leather of course. They look super similar to that and kind of like the style of that, but we got 4 of them, and then our dining room table actually extends into something a lot bigger. My eyes are so red, y'all. I'm really tired. I just got back from Ohio today and I'm exhausted, so love that.